Today's lesson is on the volume of prisms and cylinders. And my learning objective is I want to be able to calculate the volume of either a prism or a cylinder. So the definition of volume of a three-dimensional figure is the number of non-overlapping unit cubes of a given size that will exactly fit the interior. All right, let's find the volume. We're going to round to tenths. I'm going to kind of use the same process I've done before. First, I want to name my solid. So this is a prism. I'm going to use the top and the bottom as the base, so that's a rectangle. I'm going to redraw my rectangle, and the dimensions are going to be 13 by 3. And I'm going to go select my formula. So for the volume, of a rectangular prism, the formula is B times H, where B is the area and H is the height of the prism. So I am going to find the volume. So volume is B times H. I do not need to find the perimeter, but I do need to find the area. So the area is 13 times 3, which is 39. So substituting in, this is going to be 39, and my height is the distance from base to base is 5. So my volume is 195 centimeters cubed. This is three-dimensional. Okay, example 2, find the volume. Again, I have a prism. The base is the bottom and the top on this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equals 6. So we call that a hexagon. So I have a hexagonal prism. Formula for all prisms are the same. So volume is B times H. So I need to find the area of the base. So the area of the base, this is a regular polygon. So my side is 9, and the apothem is 7.8. So area of the base is 1/2 ANS. So 1/2 apothem is 7.8. Number of sides is 6, and each side is 9. So my area is 210.6. So substituting n, I have 210.6. The height of my prism from base to base is 12. So 210.6 times 12. So my volume is 27.2 feet cubed. Okay, let's do one that doesn't have a diagram. Okay, find the volume of a triangular prism with a height of 9, and a base is a right triangle with legs 7 yards and 5 yards. So I have a right triangle. And it says the legs are 5 yards. 5 yards. And 7 yards. I'm going to draw my second base over here. So I'm going to connect each vertice. So I have my prism. So the triangle is the base. So volume we said is B times H. So the area is going to be 1/2 base times height. So 5 times 7. So putting that in, so 7 times 5 is 35, divided by 2 is going to be 17.5. 35, yeah, 17.5. So area is 17.5, and my height, it says, is 9. So height is 9. So 17.5 times 9. So my volume is 157.5 yards cubed. Okay, let's do the cylinder now. And the volume of the cylinder. So my base is a circle. My radius is 24 inches. Okay, so for a cylinder, let's see, my formula for a cylinder is still volume as B times H. Same formula. So cylinders and prisms have all the same formula. So volume equals B times H. So no perimeter. So area is pi r squared. Pi times 24 squared. So that is 576 pi. Oops. 576 pi. So 576 pi. And the height of my cylinder is 33. So my volume exactly is going to be 19,008 pi inches cubed, or rounded 59,715.4 inches cubed. Okay, so I always want to give two answers, one in terms of pi and one rounded. All right, let's do one without a diagram. Let's find the volume of a cylinder with a base area of 121 pi centimeters squared. So here's my cylinder. Here's my base area. So area equals 121 centimeters squared, which that really would go here, right? And the height is equal to twice the radius. So the height equals twice the radius. Okay, so if I know area, if I know the area is pi r squared, and that equals 121 pi. Oops, I didn't write that in there right. 121 pi. So I can solve for the radius. So I can divide both sides by pi. So pi divided by pi is 1. So I get r squared equals 121. And taking the square root of both sides, I get r equals 11. So if the radius is 11, my height is 22. So my base is a circle. So the volume of my cylinder is B times H. And we said the area of the base is 121 pi. And my height is 22. So my volume exactly is 2,662 pi centimeters cubed, and rounded is 8,362.9 centimeters cubed. There we go. That's it.